Right folks, welcome back to a fresh video. Hope you enjoyed the last one. With the comments, it looks like you did. You're really interested in the property. So do we, or do we not, open a property channel separately? Let me know again, because I like them comments. Keep commenting, even if you just put a thumbs up, just helps the channel grow. And it pushes it out further. Because we say we're trying, but we're not really. We need to start smashing the YouTube, because obviously in the way the things are today, social media is the way forward. You can get work off it, you can make a few quid off it, and by you liking and commenting, sharing and hyping these videos up, it helps. So anyway, less messing about talking rubbish, let's go and get some cars picked up. I'm going to go and pick up a Vauxhall Astra now from up in Burnley, a diesel one, non-runner, surprise. And I've got a BMW I need to pick up, a 6 Series thing. So, and a combo van, that's tonight though. So right, let's crack on, let's get over there. Right guys, that's on, the old Astra. What an absolute piss take that were. Bloke said, yeah, it's no electric handbrake, easy to get on. Got there, it's been stood. I'm piss wet through, as you can see. Been laying on my back getting a winch on. The, what they call it? Jump pack's no power in it, so we hardly couldn't get it off electric thing, so I had to flag a bloke down. Luckily enough, he had some jump leads in his van, and he actually knew who I were actually. Well, he knew my brothers and my dad, so shout out to you, pal. So that pile of crap is on. Off to the yard, let's get it weighed in. Right, I've just got down to Scrapyard, there were a couple of vans coming out, and I stalled it, tried to let a van out, and it won't start again. So I've gone to get a jump pack, they're going to take the mick out of me. So, lovely, lovely jubbly. The joys. Phone's ringing. Who is it? Broadfield. I'll answer that in a minute. I need to get this car weighed in. But yeah, this is the car anyway. It's a bag of turd really. So I think it's an 11 reg, you think? CDTR. But yeah, it's one for the bin. They've got the jump pack here now, so it's going to tick-top me. I'm not happy. I'm not happy one bit. But it is what it is. I hate these trucks.
Unbelievable to be brought down there.
I backed out to let you out, it's your fault.
Don't blame me.
And now she won't start again, but it's one of them, innit? We'll sort it, hopefully. If not, I'll leave the whole lot and get it way up line. Yeah, let's see if she goes. She's away. Bloody hellfire.
What batteries you throw away?
I know, tons of them. I'm going to nick that, I think.
Alright, nick it off and it's damaged.
Don't stick it back in.
It's up to you, yeah.
Yeah, sounded that. Appreciate that, pal.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
See you in a bit.
Cheers, pal. See you later. Sorted. Let's get back in. Get it weighed in. Might nick that. Right, everyone. This is the 6 Series we've picked up on an 06. It's got some sort of fault.
Gearbox fault, I think.
Any good? Let's give it out. I'll get ramps out. Let's have a show around.
Clutch fault, I think. 168. She's done, the old girl. I see him in drive there. It's not, but he's trying to pull, but it's just spinning. Could be a simple case of a really good gearbox service, but I'm not going to mess around with it. I think we've sold it and made a quick wage. I'm not 100% sure. So this one will be going on anyway. Lad wants to come and have a quick route through it. He wants some bits out of it. So you say we might have sold this one on?
Yeah, it's sold it. Yeah.
So like I say, lad wants to route through, doesn't he? So
Yeah.
I'll try and get this on the truck.
Batteries in the boot. Yeah, there's a few bits. I don't think you're going to get it up there. Or maybe. Nearly. The fan belt's stuck on it. Right, I'll winch it on, Luke. To that, Matthew. I need a new fan belt, by the looks of it. Anyhow, I'm gonna get this winter remote out, get it winched up. Right, she's on now. We think it's a clutch plate what's spinning on it, that's why it's smoking, but engine. Right, let's get a strap put on this and then we'll show you around it properly if you want.
Right, back at Dean's, we're gonna have try and see if we can revive the old girl. Spoke to someone today, he's about coming and fixing it for us. That carries weight way better than that. She's not doing no good, sat still doing nothing, is she? She's still alright yet. It's not done out to about 6 months, has it? She's locked anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna have a quick mess around with her. Pop on it and see if we can get her started with big jump lead. Get her on Monday or on Sprinter. What's your guess is? Think she's gonna start? See anyway. Have we got both keys for both Sprinters? We'll use Monday or there?
Monday, right?
Yeah. What do you reckon, Dino, for starting?
I don't know, we tried it before, but the jump pack was broke, weren't it?
Yeah, the top down, it's actually nothing wrong with the actual battery bit of it. I figured it was the what's soldering the lead, what's soldering back, it snapped right at the plug though. I suppose you'd probably be able to buy a plug, but I've looked on eBay and TikTok and all that Temu and stuff trying to buy the, just the leads, but no one seems to sell them. And I did message Top Down direct and they never mentioned out back, so shame me, it could have been a good jump pack that. Anyway, let's see if this old girl will start. Right, we're going to have a quick look. Dean's is chuffing from there, so it's starting up. That's why it stinks. You like have some a bit of battery life in this. The last time it didn't even turn, so I'll try and set this camera up somewhere. 1 minute. We'll have to listen to Dean's chuffing injector. Let it take over. Let it get some oil round. It will be, keep charging it. Listen to that. Sweet as not that engine.
There's oil underneath, it's dripping out.
No, I don't think, not like the new one. No, not a patch.
Well, it's been there 6 months.
It's got to be 6 months patch, yeah.
Oh, I bought the new truck in November, I think, last year.
Is that what it was? More, 8 months, wasn't it?
The seat, the single again.
Sweet. Really good engine, this old girl. In fact, lads, you spoke to can...
We've had this 9 years, haven't we?
Yeah, and apart from this, it's either someone's saying a crank sensor or the vanes in the fuel pump have worn away, so when it gets warm, it can't build fuel pressure back up to fire it up. That's why it won't start at all until it's cooled down. So, if it's a fuel pump issue, you let us know in the comments if you deal with these. I know there's a lad on YouTube, he's down Devon way.
60 diesel, is it?
That's what he's called, and he's always messing with sprinters. If someone tags him in it and I'll ask him the question, see where the fuel pumps are on them. If we have got the old blue Sprinter up there which we use for parts for it, and that's got a cracking engine in as well, so we can swap a fuel pump. I think, I don't know if it's the front or back, I'm not sure.
I could tell you they had a cars a pack away with it.
Wish on this, I wish this were up and running properly. Quieter than now, better than this. 6 months. That's
6 months. She's gone a bit now, she wants a bit of paint work, but what's she done? 438 she's done, I don't know if you can see on there.
I don't think you'll have plenty of smileys
left.
with this, what's it called?
There's top down things down back of there, do you know is
Check the battery.
is it a tester?
Yeah, it's a battery tester, isn't it?
God knows. Some old oil cans there, so she's been stood a while. We'll have to make sure that thing there, winch will work still. Why don't you take her for a spin around
You'll be towing me back.
turn your circle? I can follow you.
It's bringing back memories. It's bringing back memories of the old girl.
The OGs will remember the truck when we first started the channel. She was there. She's not going anywhere. She's an heirloom.
The story behind this van, though, you might have, some people might have heard it early on, but Dean, when we were looking from, like I say, nearly 10 years ago, he took me all the way to Scarborough. We had a Blingo van. I drove all the way to Scarborough to look at an old Millennium, which was pissing oil out, sack of shit, and we ended up having fish and chips and driving back. Just in Croce Booth at the old BMW garage.
Literally 3 miles from us.
3 miles from us. And I went in just off chance, and the old lady went, "Oh, it's very expensive. It's 4 grand plus of that."
Yeah, I think it's 4.5 grand.
It's £4,500 though, so it is a bit steep. So I don't care. I'll have to throw. Anyway, first 5 minutes took it out. It cut out, didn't it?
Yeah.
It not been wrong because it wanted a fuel filter, but that was the only thing we did. But steering rack's the only thing we've had to put on it.
What did it have on it when we bought it? With 200,000?
Done 200,000 when we first got it. It done 250,000 miles, and in 10 years never missed a beat. So you can't slag it off.
And the old girl outside of it, for money we paid for that pickup, Sprinter.
That was an old scaffolder's truck, wasn't it, from Accrington?
Yeah.
We've got, like I said, we've grabbed up bits off that one.
Yeah, windows and stuff.
Windows and stuff. That were 800 quid for it.
800 quid, yeah.
And that was done 260.
Something like that.
You can't, no wonder they all go to Africa.
Yeah. You try and find a clean one of them though now, I'd buy one.
I pay good money for it to find a good one. You could pay 5 grand for a good one.
Easy.
If for a big van. The big vans are hard to come back. They're all been through to red wagons, don't they?
Yeah. Hey up, someone's been training the pigeons.
Well, at least you started, Dave.
That's the main thing. Right, go and pick a car up here. We need to reg check it, see if she cuts out.
Battery's dead.
Battery's gone.
Let's see if she'll start again though. This is what the problem when it won't start.
Oh yeah.
Don't say we've been running.
Don't tell me we spent a lot of money on a new motor. That, I'm not being funny out boys, I don't care what miles are on it, is a beautiful bus. Anyhow, we'll go back here now with the Peugeot, the BMW, wait for the customer who we bought it off to come and empty his bits of crap out of it. Then we've sold that to Messer Ben, took a drink on that. And yeah, but this one needs a new back on it, Luke, doesn't it, the floor?
We had a brand new back for it, didn't we? We sold it.
Made a profit on it.
Made a profit on it. Had a brand spanking new back off a brand new, but I don't think it's the same.
Just wants a couple of flower sheets, doesn't it, go over the moles?
Yeah, just go that way. It's proper screaming. Spend 5 minutes doing it.
It's got a little log bus in it for us, that.
Yeah, that carries weight well as well. Good truck. Oh, it's gone through there.
Nothing a bit of filler will sort out, is it? With an expanding foam.
This is what kills it, isn't it?
Old mud and crap.
Sticks in there, but it's solid underneath.
Oh, no, pull it out.
No, apart from that bit. No, she wants.
Bit of titivating, doesn't it?
That's what kills them though.
Any local sprayers want to blow it over for us? We'll sort you out. The back white. Oh, I wrapped to the full thing, mate, white. Just wrapped the full thing white.
I've wrapped it halfway up.
Yeah, wrapped it to the bottom of the door line.
Up there, under indicators.
Anyone want to do that? Give us a shout. We'll drop it off. But right, let's get this old chuffing Monday out way. Right everyone, I'm glad that Sprinter started. But last night we picked this up. Combo van. CDTI. It's got are the Astra GSR wheels, did you say?
I think they are, yeah. I'll cut to Coupe Turbo or something someone was saying on TikTok.
She's got what's that say? Bragan chrome side skirts.
She's also got some what they called? Ball cock out of the toilet, brand new. I'll have to keep them because they come somewhere.
It's also got an Hermisher front bumper on it.
That's a twin headlamp.
A twin headlamp thing. And it's got some Recaros in it, did you say, Luke?
Yeah, it's got half 11 Recaro. Yeah, I think that was an Astra GS. It might be the Mark IV Astra or something like that. They have a Recaro though. Someone has actually asked how much they are, and someone's asked about the headlamps and bumper as well.
Have they?
So
that's not so bad. We're going to pull this off anyway, not going to wait in just yet.
I do want to see, I think it's just a diesel, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a diesel, I think. You never know though, some people might have chucked a red top in it with quids in then. But yeah, it's just apart from the few bits what's on it, it's just a scrapper really.
I'll take back of it.
You need key. So that's the one we picked up from Blackburn last night. So we're going to pull it off now. And then we'll go to Burnley. Well, between Burnley and Nelson, top of Allsark area. We bought, I think it's a Kia Rio or something. Off a mate of mine. Any goodies, Luke?
Toffee hammer. What's in?
Screws.
And bolts.
Chuck them out under the tyres, that's a good idea.
Mortar rod. Yeah, not much in that one, is it?
What's in that red tub, Lukey? No.
Oh, no. Yeah.
No, nothing, no good. So yeah, we've got that handy money, that one, so that'll go in the bin. Obviously, once we've took a few bits off it, that's the main thing. Right, let's get this truck started up and let's get it unloaded. Right, we're back. We forgot to do some filming, didn't we, Luke?
Yeah, your fault. I'm blaming you, Dina.
But we bought a Kia. Wait, a Kia?
Yeah, we sold a Kia.
And we sold a Kia. It was on the back of there about 5 minutes ago. So that's gone now.
That's all done.
It's a quick profit, but I forgot to film it.
Oh, profit's profit, Dino.
So give Luke a bit of stick.
Why me?
For buying that Audi for too much like the last video.
Oh, I actually seen a comment saying, and someone on TikTok commented saying leave Dean to do it by.
Yeah.
We still made a bit of profit on it.
Yeah. What are you doing with this toilet thing?
He's new in it, you know what I mean?
Dumping things behind my house.
Worst case scenario, when we do his big car boot, we can throw it in no gear. Something like that.
Yeah. Right, it's Friday now, isn't it? We're not working now, are we?
That's it, done. Friday.
And what time is it? About 10:30, 11?
Yeah, something like 11 o'clock.
So yeah, don't forget people, keep commenting.
Liking, subscribing.
Harp the video up.
Ring the bell.
Harp it up. Ring the bell.
Follow me on TikTok.
Yep. I've changed mine to MrKindlingFirewood Supplies, so check us out on TikTok. And Luke is still at the ScrapCarRecyclingUK.
Yes, there we go.
And
don't give me any stick, I'll give you some stick back.
yeah, and yeah, don't forget 5th of September for the men's mental health charity they do with the Baxton and lads. Accrington Cricket Club.
A few people commented saying that they want to meet us.
Yeah, so we'll be there.
Oh, why you want to meet us?
So yeah, we'll be there, showing us support. So get yourself there.
I don't know if I'll be playing cricket. I can't run.
We don't know how to play cricket anyway.
I don't know how to play cricket now.
So it is what it is. But we'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care. See you in a bit.